Welcome to Seamless. In today's video, can you guess the word by emoji? We've prepared 30 questions, and you'll have 10 seconds to find each answer. For every correct answer, you earn 1 point. If you're ready, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started.
Sunflower, that's a great way to start. Nice and easy. Alright, let's see what's next. Toothpaste. Yep, that one was pretty clean. Okay, ready for another? Football. That's the first 3 done. How are you doing so far? Let's keep going. Check this one out. Raincoat. Smart guess. No getting wet here. Next emojis are coming up. Notebook. Yep, that one makes sense. Can you get the next one too? Bedroom. Hopefully you didn't guess that from experience just now. Alright, next one. Airport. Nice, that was quick. Let's see the next emojis. Rainbow, that one comes together nicely. Okay, here's another. Homework. Don't worry, no grades here. Ready for the next? Firefly. Good catch. That one trips people up sometimes. Let's move on. Snowman. Yep, nice and cool. Alright, next emojis. Moonlight. That one fits perfectly. Let's see if you get this one. Starfish. You're doing really well right now. Here comes another. Butterfly. Yep, that's it. Next one up. Seashell. Nice, that was a smooth guess. Alright, keep it going. Popcorn. That one's always fun. Ready for the next? Skateboard. Clean guess. Let's see what's next. Postcard. Yep, that's the one. New emojis coming up. Cupcake. Nice. And now I'm hungry. Alright, next one. Pancake. We're already at number 20. How many points do you have so far? Okay, focus up for this next one. Basketball, easy points if you saw it. Let's keep going. Waterfall, that one drops right into place. Next emojis. Hair tie, nice spot. Here comes another. Mailbox, yep, that's correct. Ready for the next one? Sunshine, that's a good one. Let's move on. Bookstore, that was a solid guess. Next emoji's coming up. Handbag, easy carry, easy point. Almost there. Sunglasses, yep, nice and clear. Let's see the next one. Playground, you're still going strong. Alright, final one. Teacup, and that's the last one. Nice job sticking till the end. Drop your score in the comments. I really want to see how you did.